Hello, good day. So ito na guys yung ano ko, bago at version kong farmers, the Gen Z, Generation Z farmers. So may nakita daw siya na na-shared niya sa akin, may nakita siya na video sa strawberry after extracting strawberry fruit seeds. Dinadry niya. Actually, siya lahat nag-maneuver dyan guys. From drying, from extracting, and later on, from sowing planting. So, yan yung ginagawa niya guys. Although hindi pa siya marunong, pero at least nakita natin yung effort at saka yung excitement niya na magtanim. Unfortunately, this time hindi talaga tumubo. So,